Hello everyone! Welcome back to Story Time with Hajra. Today we are reading Sesame Street, Caring with Bert and Ernie. So let's get started. What is empathy? Empathy means you understand how someone feels. I care about how my own body bird feels. A friend stays homesick from school. You might send her a get well soon card. I give Snuffy tissues when he has a cold. How feelings look. People often show how they feel with their faces. When I'm happy, I have one big smile on my face. Sometimes people show how they feel with actions. People might stomp their feet if they are angry. How can you tell what another person is feeling? People cry when they are sad. You can sit with them and listen. What might you do if your friend feels sad? You can share others' good feelings too. You might jump up and down with an excited friend. When Elmo is happy, I feel happy too. We have a giggle-tastic time. People feel tired sometimes. They might be cranky. You understand they need rest. I tell fairy tales to Curly Bear when she is sleepy. Loud noises can be overwhelming. Sometimes people need quiet time. We play quietly with bubbles. Bubbles. Empathy helps you understand how others feel. It connects people together. When have you felt empathy for someone else? What did you say or do? Be a buddy. Have your friends make believe they are feeling a certain emotion. For example, they might pretend to be sad, happy, embarrassed, or scared. Guess what they are feeling? What could you do to help them?